Hey party people, what's going on? This is B. Dillinger here with some information about an upcoming digital workshop that I'm working on with a company called Fabscrap. Fabscrap is a non-for-profit company based here in New York. Now, quite a few of you have reached out to me over the course of my channel and have asked me if I would ever consider teaching a class. Well, I was never quite sure exactly how I could pull that off, but I think this might just be the right opportunity. So at the end of June, I'm going to be teaching a How to Make Sandals course. Yes, just in time for summer. The date is scheduled for June 29th, 5:30 to 6:30 Eastern Standard Time. Fabscrap and I are still working out all the details. So the first thing that you do is you want to get yourself pre-registered and get your name on the list to secure yourself a spot. A little bit about Fabscrap. Fabscrap is a recycling and reuse service that partners with private individuals and the fashion industry manufacturers to rescue materials that might otherwise end up in landfills. If you live in New York, you can shop at one of their retail locations. However, if you don't worry. They have an online store and you can schedule a virtual shopping appointment. How cool is that? The class is free. However, a $10 donation is suggested and will be open on their site starting May 10th to June 10th. To participate, you're going to need a sandal kit, some basic tools, and a sewing machine. The kit will come with all the things that you need to make the bottom soles. The workshop will also cover basic construction, design techniques, and a few workarounds. And then the rest of the time you will be working on your sandals. This is going to be fun, so I hope that you will join the DIY party.